is Maisie from Maisie Smells. How's everybody doing? Thank you for coming to my channel today. Today I am going to show you how to do a simple, easy, healthy and budget-friendly lunch and dinner idea. It's going to be so simple and easy, and I hope you like it. If this is your first time today, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the notification button, and whenever I have a recipe out, you get notified. So let's get started. So let's start by cooking our ground beef. The ground beef is about 2 pounds grass-fed, grass-finished beef, and then we're cooking it with 2 tablespoons of oil. I used avocado oil for this. And then when the beef is brown like this, we're adding our seasonings. We have a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of chili powder, and I added a little bit of berbere, but you don't have to do that. That is Ethiopian seasoning. Then we're going to cook that. It's like almost making a taco seasoning when we're doing that. Then I added some salt and pepper, black pepper, and then cook the beef. Then I chopped 1 medium onion, and then chopped a couple of Roma tomatoes and jalapenos and added to the beef. Then we cook it until everything is mixed well and looking like this. Then it is done. Next, we are doing our corn and black bean mixture. The corn is frozen corn, non-GMO, and the black bean is 1 can of black bean, and it is rinsed off to just rinse off the salt. Then we're adding salt and pepper and some taco seasoning, and then it is ready. Next, we're going to do our quinoa. 1 cup of quinoa with 2 cups of water. Let it come to boil and then cover it and cook it for another 10 minutes, and it should be ready after that. So then we're gonna get ready our topping. So we're gonna make homemade salsa. We have chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, some chopped garlic, and also chopped jalapenos, a couple of them, some cilantro, and some fire roasted tomatoes. The fire roasted tomatoes you can buy from any store. I bought the 365 brand fire roasted tomato, but you can get anything. Then you're going to add some lemon juice, some extra virgin olive oil, and just blend away. I am going to put the recipe in the description box, the exact measurement for you, and you can make your own salsa like this, and it's tasty without no additives, no ingredients that you don't know about. So the next topping that we're going to make is our guacamole. So for our guacamole, we have lemon, jalapenos, some onion, red onion, and then cilantro, lemon juice, and olive oil. So here we're adding all the ingredients like so, and we're going to make our guacamole. So here we go. Let's go ahead and season up our quinoa. Here I have some chopped bell pepper, chopped onion, some garlic cloves. Then I'm cooking that with some oil, maybe a tablespoon of oil, avocado oil. Added some salt and pepper, and then some taco seasoning. Then we're adding our quinoa, cooked quinoa, and mix it well with all those yummy seasonings and bell pepper and onion and garlic. Then it is ready. Okay, now that we have our beef, quinoa, salsa and guacamole are ready. Now we're going to make a burrito bowl, which is like a healthy burrito bowl, Chipotle style. I'm using quinoa instead of rice, but you could use that rice if you prefer to use rice. But quinoa has lots of benefits for us. So I am going to make it a healthy way, and I hope you like it. Let's do that. Another way of using the beef or the beans and the corn is making a quesadilla, which is very kid friendly and it's so simple to make. And my kids love it. I love it. It's simple. You can serve it with some guacamole and a salsa. You can also serve it with some salad to go with it. It's really good and healthy. The way we make it at home, it's better than you buy it from the store. So let's do that. So here we have a pan, a medium pan. We sprayed it with some oil and then added flour tortilla, added some cheese. Then we added the cooked ground beef to the cheese. Then add more cheese and top it with another tortilla. Then make sure it is brown on one side and then flip it, and then both sides are brown and you can take it out. Then we are going to do the same, but this is going to be with the corn and black bean mixture. Then we added some cheese and then the corn and black bean mixture, and then we also top it with more cheese, then add the tortilla on top. So this could be a vegetarian one, or if you're vegan or plant-based, you could use a plant-based cheese for this and do it that way. Now it's ready, so we can cut it into 4 sections like this, you see, and get it ready to be eaten. We can serve this with the guacamole and the salsa. I show you a couple more recipes. One is going to be a baked potato recipe and the other one is going to be a taco salad. Both easy to make, so let's go ahead and do those. Here I have 1 large potato. I am poking a hole in it and then brush it with some oil. I am brushing it with some avocado oil, but you can use any oil you have, and then seasoning it with salt. Then I am using my Ninja Foodi and then put it at 400 on bake for about 20 minutes. Then another 15 minutes on air crisp at 400, and then this is what it looks like. It's so crispy on the outside and then really cooked in the inside. Look at that. It is so nice and very good, and it took only about 35 minutes to make it in the Ninja Foodi. Then we are adding all our toppings that we have here, and you could use any topping you want, but we already made the topping, so we're using the same topping. We added some cheese, some of the ground beef on top, and then some of the corn and the bean mixture on top. So it's really yummy and amazing. And also we're going to add some of the homemade salsa that we did, and then we're adding some more like chopped green onions, and it is ready. It is so delicious. You have to try this. It's so good and delicious, and you make your own baked potato at home, and I know your kids will enjoy it too. The next one is going to be our taco salad. For our taco salad, we have some chopped romaine lettuce. You can use any lettuce you like. You could even use spinach, and then add some of your ground beef, and then some of the corn and black beans mixture. Then add some chopped tomatoes, some red onion, some pickled jalapenos if you want, but as you know, we love jalapenos, so I added some chopped avocados, some green onions, and also some shredded cheese on top. And we are going to add our salsa. Of course, it's so good with it. And added a little bit of cilantro, and it is ready to be eaten. I added a little bit of chips there. If you don't want to add the chips, you can take out the chips, but you know, you need some crunch, right? And then I squeezed some lemon, and here I am enjoying it, and it's really good. I hope you liked all these ideas of making meals just simply like this and eat at home, healthy and delicious meals. And if you do, please make sure you let me know. You comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and also share it to your friends and family. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Maisie's Meals. And if you have pictures, you can post them there, or Facebook at Maisie's Meals again. And don't forget to subscribe, be a family. And until I see you on another video, please be safe and may God bless you. Bye-bye.